Hi everyone, so I am back to share this completed Christmas chunky junk journal that I have been making. If you saw one of my last videos, I made the cover for this and everybody's quite invested in this, and the digitals that I used, I got them from Creative Fabrica, which is a yearly subscription website. And you can access everything on there. It's not just digital papers, there's templates and sewing patterns and loads of other stuff. Anyway, you can use these in your digitals and everything. So anyway, I've put 3 papers as freebies up on my coffee shop so that you can use, and one of them being this. I have had to adjust it slightly because you have to do that if you're going to turn it into a digital, like for yourself. And even though I'm not selling it, it's still going on my shop. So anyway, it has been slightly altered around the edge, that's about it, but it is the same. So I'll put the link for that below, because a lot of people were asking about this paper, because it looks like fabric as well. It's lovely. Anywho, we finished this. When I say we, I mean me. It's got a fabric spine. It has 3 signatures. The journal measures 7 3/4 by 5, has 2.5 inch spine, 3 signatures, like I said, 108 pages front and back. I kind of wish I didn't already put the holes in for the middle signature, because it is blank. It is a blank signature, because once I started doing this, it was just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But there is still 3 signatures in here. This will be in my shop, and for today only it will have free shipping. Okay, so right, it is a big chunky one. If you want to see how I made the cover, I will put that video below as well, so you can go check that out. We've got some jingle bells here. That one's just tucked itself up there. We've got a couple of jingle bells there as well. I love the noise of these. Anyway, I'm not going to talk that much about this because I've already done the video on that. We have got fabric closure. I've tied the ends so that it is frayed as well, but I've tied the ends so that you can find it easily. So you can see here it's quite chunky. It weighs quite a bit. So I did show some like flip throughs as I was doing this. I done it on Instagram. So we have this page here. The colours of this actually put me in mind of the Grinch. I don't know why, but it does. It's probably the green. Got some tags here. I've also things that I've made for this journal. I can't remember what they are now. I think that was one of them. I'm going to put that up for sale as a Christmas like bonanza bundle. And but it's not pages, it's just the ephemera that I've put in here. Excuse me. So I will put that probably won't be up tonight, but you never know, I might get it done today. So yeah, I don't know where that's from. That could be in that bundle as well, but I made these tags. This is a paper bag, and in the paper bag I've just put little bits that I already had like in my stash from my last Christmas journal. Here, that is actually a pocket, but there's nothing in there. We have got an envelope flip, and we have got that tag there. Here we've got, that's actually Tracie Fox paper. Can't remember the name of the kit, but it's a Christmas kit. It's from last year. I liked it because it was like collage, and you get different colours as well. So we've got a pocket here, a little ticket there, little overnight service express thing for your from your reindeer and Father Christmas. Reindeers on that paper as well. We've got a tag here. Excuse, my voice is still like this, I don't know why. We've got a tag, that's Tracie Fox, that just slips in there. Obviously journal space there. Got a little robin here. A couple of tags, some plaid pockets. These are in my shop as well. I'll link everything. Tag. This, I just need to trim that. Fabric ruffle. And we've got some tags here. And tag there. Or Holy Night there. You can see I've done some stitching as well. Little pocket there. Little cinema free pass there. And it says Winter Blessings. Here, oh, I love this. Now, I saw this idea from It's Probably Sharon. I literally just come across her the other day when I was looking for ideas for Christmas journals, and she'd made, I seen it in her journal. I don't know if she made it the same way I made mine, but I didn't do a tutorial on it. But I kind of looked at it and thought, right, I think I can do that. But it was great inspiration. Here we have side tuck and a index card. Santa Claus, that tag. Believe it or not, that was in a Christmas pack. Doesn't look very Christmassy. And there's a butterfly. Can't even make a Christmas journal without a butterfly being in there. But there we go. And we've got the two pockets there. But yeah, this idea came from, I have done similar, but she prompted me to make that. So her name is, her YouTube channel is called It's Probably Sharon. I think that's what it's called. We've got a little ticket in there. I put a tab on there, and then Sleigh Bells Ring in this paper bag. Don't know where that came from. Got a pocket there. These are in my shop as well. That tag was, I don't know if it still is, but it was a freebie. It was a freebie in my shop somewhere. These are Tsunami Rose, Let It Snow. We've got a little tab and a little bell there on a bulb pin. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. Made them tags from some paper. This I made last year. I think I had a video on that, some like altered paper clips. So I've just put that in there like so, and that tucks in there. Centre of the signature, got our jingle bells, and I have left some of the threads because it is, I like it, but if whoever buys this you don't like it, you can trim them off. So that and that, we've got a big tag there, some baker's twine, and then this flips up and flips down, so you can journal, add photos, whatever you feel like doing. And then this little pocket in this tag keeps it all closed. This is fold out, some Christmas paper. This is in my shop. Paper bag. I love the noise of paper bags. Merry Christmas. I believe that's a freebie on my in my shop as well. So is this tag, and that's an image. They are going to be in that bundle, I think. That's just, is that just a fold? Yeah, just a little fold out. They're going to be in the bundle as well, the little nutcrackers. So I think I'll actually just get on with that, because obviously it's all, I just need to put it into a file and upload it. A tag here. Journal card, a little parcel on there, and a Merry Christmas. Again, I'm absolutely loving the plaids at the moment. Some, I don't know what that is. Christmas image. I just popped Merry and Bright there. They've got the Christmas baubles on there. That flips up. And we've got mulled wine. Little journal card. A tag. That's a double tag. That flips down. Inside this paper bag, we've just got a collection of little bits. I believe that's a freebie in my shop. Under the Christmas freebie section. Just a little double thing that was in my stash. There in my shop. I like that. I like the kind of swirly tree things. That's what it looks like to me. Christmas Joy, that's going to be in that bundle. So this is the middle signature that I was talking about. Don't want to add too much to it because, as you can see, that is quite chunky. And then I've just left all the tails, done some stitching. There's plenty of place to journal or add photos, like whatever you do in your journaling. And it is always good to have journal space. How cute is that? And the third signature, tickets, little journal card, Christmas tag there. We've got a little tab on there. That was a paper bag. That's open there for you to tuck things in. That flips out. We've got the gingerbread paper there. Little tag. We've got a ticket. That's a Tracie Fox image. And then in here we've got another index card. Slides in. Here again, made that will be in that bundle eventually. 12 Days of Christmas, a lovely Christmas image there. Another tag, that's Tracie Fox. I don't know who that is from. Little tag, that image is in my shop. Another journal card. They're cute. Santa is coming. Some ruffle. Another lovely page here. How cute is that? That's just very cutesy. There's some little bits in here. I just put Jingle Bell Rock there. Another tag. I just popped that on there. Oops. Right, this is a triple pocket. So we've got Nutcracker there. Little booklet here, just some plain papers. Sleigh bells, well, sleigh rides, sorry. A tag, so that goes there. And we've got that in there. And the Nutcracker goes there. And the tag here. Excuse me. Another bell. That's like, what do you call that? It's on the tip of my tongue. You know what it is, don't you? Another Nutcracker here. How cute are they? Anyway, that will be in that bundle that I'm going to put up. Stars are brightly shining. That was another idea of the attachment from It's Probably Sharon. I think I'm just going to look what her name is now because it's annoying me. Another tag there, just in case I'm saying it wrong. Another tag with a little, yeah, it's called It's Probably Sharon. That's her YouTube. Another little paper clip there with the tag. Some ruffle. A couple of little pieces in there. There's just red cotton everywhere. Big tag. Little Nutcracker there. That flips up so you can journal. I forgot to mention we got white and red pom-pom trim on here. Another little bell on a bulb pin. Sort that out. There we go. And then it says ho ho ho. There in my shop. Whoops. And another Nutcracker. That was from Creative Fabrica as well. Whoever done them designs is very talented. I love that that paper pad. Well, it's not a paper pad, but that paper collection from there. And what have we got here? Oh, another Nutcracker. that flips up. That's a little pocket behind here as well. That lifts up, and obviously that was an idea from, it's probably Sharon. And then we've got a little paper bag there, and then we've got another flip up, flip down. Is that opened there? It could be opened. It's opened there if you want to tuck things in. And this is from Tsunami Rose, and that is the journal. So I really enjoyed making that. Took me all week to do that. Everybody thinks, oh, you do a journal in a day. I do smaller journals in a day, but this took for ages. And I thoroughly enjoyed making it. And every time I thought I'm done, I thought, no, I'm not. Find something else to add to it. So yeah. So I'll put all the links below. If you're interested in this, it will be for the next 24 hours from when it goes up. It will have free shipping. So grab a bargain. There we go. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.